Katina Boyd here, your friendly pharmacist dispensing your Decor prescription. Today's tip is super easy and cheap. I'm using my $1 ornaments from Dollar General, a push pin, and a buffalo check faux present from Big Lots. All we're going to do is affix the ornament to the present with this push pin. You don't have to use a push pin. You could also use ribbon or twine. So here we go. We take the ornament, we take the push pin, boom. Let's watch that again. Oh yeah, so simple. And I think it dressed up the present quite nicely. Now, faith is the confidence in what we hope for and the assurance about what we do not see. Faith is an active change in perspective from being unsettled when everything does not go our way to being hopeful about the often unseen yet so powerful work of God. Creating a space that brings you joy is important to your health, so breathe, pray, and decorate.